Hello there, taxidermists and journal peeps. This is Neil Woodman from Digital Taxidermy, and I am here with a little video today that was requested by one of our patrons. He wanted to take our bio dice tower and use it as a Sporocyst proxy for Warhammer 40k for his Tyranids, and wanted the pool cut off. So in order to do this, to make it fit on the base and still retain these dribbly bits of bio goo, we need to first of all shrink it in size. So he has said that he wants to, he's okay with it to be at 90%. So that's what we will do. Obviously, if you change the scaling, it will reduce the size of these holes, so it will make it not suitable for D20s. However, D6s will still be okay, or at least they should be. So first thing, what do we do? Well, we've opened up the file, brought it into here, turned the grid off and got rid of the wireframe because we don't really need that. So we select the object and we will scale it. So we will lock, click on there to lock the scaling. If you click on millimeters, you can flick between millimeters and percentage. So we will change that to 90%. Okay, so that's scaled it down now, so that's good. And next, in order to chop out the rest of the pool, we will we will insert a cylinder, and we are going to upscale that cylinder to 100 millimeters, and then we need to position it so that we get all of the liquid forms in, which is right on the edge of being able to do that. So let's just, we're using the arrow keys here to move it just a teeny tiny bit, and we can move it left and right and forwards and back. Just check that out. We are just a little bit out at 90% there. So what we probably do, I'm going to scale that back again just a touch to 88%. So there we go. So that now gets all of that in there. We'll try and cut that stone out as well. So we've got that. As you can see at the bottom there, all the goo is encapsulated within that circle. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to select the circle, the cylinder, and we're going to just move it down a touch so that it's not at the same level as that base. What we want is a clear definition between the two. And then we will get a cone. And you'll see why we get a cone in a second. And what we're going to do is expand it so it's really big, and we'll turn it upside down. We will get the location position here. So X is 0, Y is that. So it's always the center of the shape that 3D Builder uses. So if you get those the same, then it will always center them. Okay, so then we're going to bring the cone into there to just envelop the whole of the model. Okay, so still we have the accuracy of the cylinder to do the base cutout at the correct position. Okay, and we have that. So the entire thing is now encapsulated. So we're going to press Control and select both of those shapes. Okay, and we will group them so then they become a single shape. And then we will go to edit, and we will go we will select both of these now. So we've got the combined shape and we've got the biodice tower. Combined shape, biodice tower, right? And we will choose intersect. And what that has done has got rid of everything that is outside of the surrounding shapes. Okay, and that has now given us a 100mm diameter base, which encapsulates the whole of that model and can now be used as a Sporocyst proxy, and hopefully still as a dice tower as well. So we could just take a quick look here. So if we insert a cylinder, we can get a rough idea of how big this hole is. So let's say we want to use a 16mm dice. We can resize that to 16mm, and as you can see, that's got plenty of room for a 16mm D6 to go in there. That's not a problem at all. And if we turn it around this way, we should find that there is still a good amount of space around there, and we can just confirm it by doing a cube, locking that, and 16mm. Let's get the cube. It might be a bit tight on the exit holes, so smaller dice might be required to actually do that, which is a shame. However, that is the way that he will get the size of base that he wants. So I will pass this information over to him. We did offer to say do a version removing these. However, it would then require supports, as the goopy bits are very much the supports for these openings. We'll see what he comes back with. We might even do a little bit of a remodel to allow this to be more of a thing. But we'll see how it goes. We'll get some feedback. That might be a thing, that might not. But that's a very simple look at how you can edit a model to cut out bits that you don't want or unnecessary segments, to create other things or to fit them on bases. Cool. We will just save that, and that's it. So that's a quick look. I hope that has been useful. Let us know, get in touch if there's anything else that you might want us to show you, and we'll see if we can make a little video about it, pass on any information, whatever really. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your friends we exist, and check out the website, because we've got some cool things on there, including this biodice tower, and we'll see you next time. Okay, take care. Bye bye now.
Like the video, follow me around, press the bell, it makes no sound. Like the video, press subscribe, I don't know why I am alive.